Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into Module 2 of our series, focusing on the fundamentals of business processes. Let's start by understanding what business processes entail. Let's look at the contents of this module. In this module, we will dive deeper into understanding business processes, look at how to do a process identification and documentation, explore the types of processes, and we will also look at the process architecture and hierarchy. Business processes serve as the intricate framework upon which organizational activities are built, functioning as the connective tissue that links various tasks and activities to achieve specific objectives. From the inception of an idea to the delivery of products or services to customers, these processes permeate every facet of organizational operations, serving as the backbone upon which success is built. But why are these processes so indispensable? The answer lies in their fundamental role in optimizing efficiency, enhancing quality, and ensuring alignment with organizational goals. A comprehensive understanding of these processes is akin to having a roadmap guiding businesses towards their objectives. Without this clarity, organizations risk inefficiencies, errors, and misalignment, hindering their ability to compete effectively in today's fast-paced and competitive landscape. Let's explore the key characteristics that define business processes and underscore their importance. Firstly, business processes often exhibit a sequential nature, meaning that tasks and activities follow a particular order or sequence. This sequentially ensures that activities are executed in a logical manner, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency. Moreover, business processes are iterative, allowing for refinement and improvement over time. This iterative nature enables organizations to adapt to changing circumstances, refine their approaches, and continuously enhance performance. By embracing iteration, businesses can remain agile and responsive in the face of evolving market dynamics and customer preferences. Furthermore, business processes involve multiple stakeholders, each contributing their expertise and resources to the process. From frontline employees to senior management, every stakeholder plays a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of processes and the achievement of organizational objectives. Collaboration and coordination among stakeholders are essential for optimizing processes and driving collective success. Lastly, business processes can be tailored to meet the unique needs and requirements of organizations. While some processes may benefit from standardization to ensure consistency and reliability, others may require customization to address specific challenges or capitalize on unique opportunities. The ability to customize processes enables organizations to adapt to their unique circumstances and seize competitive advantages in their respective industries. Understanding the importance and nature of business processes is just the beginning. The real value lies in effectively identifying and documenting these processes. This crucial step is essential for gaining insights into how various activities interconnect and contribute to overarching organizational objectives. Process identification entails recognizing and delineating key processes that underpin organizational functions, products, or services. By pinpointing these processes, organizations can unravel the complexities of their operations and identify areas for improvement or optimization. This step serves as the foundation for streamlining workflows, enhancing efficiency, and driving organizational success. To identify processes effectively, organizations can employ various methods, including stakeholder interviews, observation, and analysis of existing documentation. Engaging with stakeholders directly involved in the processes yields valuable insights into their intricacies, challenges, and interdependencies. This collaborative approach fosters a deeper understanding of process dynamics and ensures that all perspectives are considered in the identification process. Once processes are identified, documentation becomes paramount in providing clarity and insight. Detailed mapping and description of processes offer stakeholders a comprehensive understanding of their flow, inputs, outputs, and associated resources. This transparency not only aids in decision-making but also fosters a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Stakeholders can identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, or redundancies within processes and work collaboratively to address them. To facilitate process documentation, organizations can leverage a plethora of tools and techniques. Flowcharts provide a visual representation of process flows, highlighting sequential steps and decision points. Process diagrams offer a more detailed view of process interactions and dependencies, aiding in the identification of key touchpoints and handoffs. Narrative descriptions complement visual representations by providing additional context and explanations of process steps. Moreover, specialized process modeling software offers advanced capabilities for modeling, simulating, and analyzing complex processes, enabling organizations to capture and communicate process details effectively. By leveraging these tools and techniques, organizations can ensure that their processes are documented comprehensively, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions, drive operational excellence, and achieve strategic objectives. Effective process identification and documentation serve as the bedrock of organizational efficiency, transparency, and continuous improvement, empowering organizations to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Let's delve deeper into each category of processes to understand their significance and how they contribute to organizational effectiveness. Operational processes are the lifeblood of any organization, representing the core activities directly involved in producing goods or delivering services to customers. These processes are characterized by their focus on efficiency, quality, and responsiveness to customer needs. Think of manufacturing processes in a factory setting, where products are assembled with precision to meet quality standards and timelines. Similarly, order fulfillment processes in a retail or e-commerce environment ensure that customer orders are processed accurately and delivered promptly. Additionally, customer support operations play a crucial role in addressing customer inquiries, resolving issues, and maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction. Operational processes are the frontline activities that directly impact the customer experience and are therefore vital for sustaining customer loyalty and driving business growth. Management processes, on the other hand, focus on coordinating and controlling organizational resources to achieve strategic objectives. These processes provide oversight, planning, and decision-making functions that are essential for effective operations. Strategic planning processes involve setting long-term goals, defining strategies, and allocating resources to achieve desired outcomes. Budgeting processes ensure that financial resources are allocated efficiently and in alignment with strategic priorities. Performance management processes involve monitoring and evaluating organizational performance against predefined metrics, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing corrective actions as necessary. Similarly, risk assessment processes help identify potential threats and opportunities, allowing organizations to mitigate risks and capitalize on emerging trends. Management processes provide the framework for strategic execution and enable organizations to navigate challenges while capitalizing on opportunities for growth and innovation. Support processes play a crucial role in facilitating the smooth functioning of both operational and management processes by providing necessary resources and services. While these processes may not directly interact with customers, they are essential for organizational effectiveness and efficiency. Human resources management processes ensure that the organization attracts, develops, and retains talent to support its strategic objectives. IT support processes provide technical assistance and infrastructure maintenance to enable smooth operation of business systems and processes. Procurement processes involve sourcing and acquiring goods and services required for organizational activities, ensuring cost-effectiveness and quality. Finally, facility management processes ensure that physical infrastructure and resources are maintained to support organizational activities. Support processes may operate behind the scenes, but they are the backbone that enables operational and management functions to operate seamlessly. In summary, operational, management, and support processes collectively form the framework that drives organizational success and effectiveness. Each category plays a distinct yet interconnected role in achieving strategic objectives, delivering value to customers, and sustaining competitive advantage in today's dynamic business environment. Process architecture refers to the structural design and arrangement of processes within an organization. It defines how processes are interconnected and aligned with organizational goals. Now, let's delve deeper into the concept of process hierarchy, a vital aspect of understanding business processes. Processes within organizations are often categorized based on their strategic importance and operational scope, forming a hierarchical structure that guides decision-making and resource allocation. At the top of this hierarchy are strategic processes, representing the pinnacle of organizational planning and decision-making. These processes encompass long-term initiatives aimed at shaping the direction and competitive positioning of the organization. Strategic processes involve critical decisions regarding market positioning, product development, mergers and acquisitions, and other high-level strategic endeavors. By focusing on long-term goals and market trends, strategic processes provide the foundation upon which the organization's future success is built. Moving down the hierarchy, we encounter tactical processes, which serve as the bridge between strategic vision and day-to-day operations. These intermediate-level activities are instrumental in executing the strategic initiatives laid out by top management. Tactical processes involve resource allocation, project management, and the implementation of operational strategies designed to achieve organizational objectives. While strategic processes provide the overarching direction, tactical processes ensure that these plans are translated into actionable steps that drive operational efficiency and effectiveness. Finally, we arrive at operational processes, the backbone of organizational activities. These processes encompass the routine, repetitive tasks and workflows necessary for delivering products or services and meeting customer demands on a day-to-day basis. Operational processes include manufacturing operations, customer service procedures, inventory management, and other operational tasks that directly contribute to the organization's core activities. While strategic and tactical processes focus on long-term planning and execution, operational processes ensure that daily operations run smoothly, efficiently, and meet the organization's quality and service standards. Understanding the hierarchy of processes is essential for organizational leaders to allocate resources effectively, prioritize initiatives, and ensure alignment with strategic objectives. By recognizing the distinct roles and importance of strategic, tactical, and operational processes, organizations can optimize their operations, adapt to market changes, and drive sustainable growth in today's competitive landscape. In conclusion, effective management of business processes stands as a cornerstone of organizational success and competitiveness in today's dynamic marketplace. Through meticulous identification, documentation, and categorization of these processes, organizations can not only streamline their operations but also foster a culture of transparency, accountability, and operational excellence. By delving deeply into the intricacies of each process, businesses gain a comprehensive understanding of their internal workflows, dependencies, and areas for improvement. This granular insight enables teams to make informed decisions, allocate resources more effectively, and respond promptly to changing market demands. Moreover, a well-documented and standardized approach to processes ensures consistency across departments, reducing errors and enhancing overall productivity. Furthermore, understanding the architecture and hierarchy of processes provides a strategic framework for organizational leaders to prioritize initiatives and allocate resources where they are most needed. Strategic processes, which focus on long-term planning and decision-making, guide the organization's overall direction and competitive positioning. Tactical processes, meanwhile, ensure the smooth execution of strategic goals, bridging the gap between vision and implementation. Finally, operational processes, the backbone of day-to-day activities, ensure that products and services are delivered efficiently and meet customer expectations consistently. By aligning processes with strategic objectives and continuously refining their execution, organizations can optimize performance and adapt swiftly to market changes. This proactive approach not only enhances operational efficiency but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement, where every team member is empowered to contribute ideas and innovations. In essence, effective management of business processes is not just about operational efficiency, it's about building a foundation for sustainable growth and resilience in an increasingly competitive landscape. by embracing best practices in process management and leveraging technology to streamline workflows. Organizations can position themselves for long-term success and remain agile in the face of evolving challenges. Your thoughts, opinions, and ideas matter to us, and we're eager to engage with our audience. If you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Share your insights, questions, or feedback right here, right now. Your comments not only help us understand what you're interested in but also contribute to building a vibrant community. Alternatively, if you prefer a more private conversation or have something lengthy to discuss, feel free to reach out to us via email. You can find our contact information in the description box or on our website. We're always eager to hear from our audience, and we'll make sure to respond to your emails promptly. Thank you all for being a part of Consultant Bot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.